Here are 3 super simple, super easy, high protein breakfast ideas that will take you less than 15 minutes to make. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is FitLifeWithVatsa and I am a self-taught fitness enthusiast. If you are a college student just like I was a few years ago, or a working professional working a 9 to 5 just like I am right now, and you are looking to stay fit, lose weight, build muscle, and just improve your life overall, then you are in the right place. Every week I'm going to be sharing delicious low-calorie Indian recipes which you can add straight into your diet, and also fitness related content broken down into simple terms that help me to go from this to this, and also personal self-improvement habits, because I am just like you, trying to get better every day. So please do consider subscribing. With that, let's jump into this video. When you are trying to lose weight or when you are dieting, one of the worst things that you can do is sabotage your entire day by having a bad breakfast. And I know a lot of us are lazy to cook something first thing in the morning, or we are busy, or we are on the go, but whichever end of the spectrum you are on, don't worry, I got you covered. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 super delicious, low-calorie, high-protein breakfast ideas which are super simple to make. All you need is a few ingredients to make each of these recipes, and within 15 minutes, bada boom, bada bing, it's done. So without wasting much time, let's jump into it. Breakfast idea number 1, Western omelette. A perfect low-carb, high-protein meal, and as mentioned before, super easy to make. So in a pot on medium flame, add your veggies. I have added onions, red, yellow, and green bell peppers, along with some salt and pepper. You can also add mushrooms, green chili, spinach, or any other vegetables of your choice. While the veggies cook, let's take 2 whole eggs and 4 egg whites in a bowl and add a bit of water and whisk until it's frothy. Then on a pan on medium heat, spray some cooking spray and pour the egg mixture into it. Cook it for a bit and then take the sauteed vegetable mix and spread it across one half of the omelette. And then on the other half, let's sprinkle 28 grams of low-fat cheese. Along with that, I added a bit of salt, paprika, and black pepper. Cover it for a few minutes. After about 3 to 4 minutes, once it's fully cooked, let's fold it over, and there you go. Super easy, super delicious, super healthy, and it won't even take you more than 15 minutes. Now moving on to the calories and the macronutrient breakdown for this recipe, it's a total of 340 calories, of which 10 grams are carbs, 15 grams are fat, and 40 grams are protein. Breakfast idea number 2 is high protein oatmeal, another easy, filling, protein packed meal that will take you less than 15 minutes to make. So in a pot, add 1 cup of 30 calorie almond milk and bring it to a boil. Then add 40 grams or half cup of old-fashioned oats along with a pinch of salt. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the oatmeal reaches your desired consistency and texture. Then transfer it to a bowl. I like to make it a little bit more liquidy, so I added a bit of water to it. Along with that, I added half tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 scoop of whey protein, 10 crushed almonds, and a few raisins, and there you go. Your high protein oatmeal is all set to be eaten. Delicious. Moving on to the calories and the macros for this recipe, it is a total of 490 calories, of which 49 grams are carbs, 19 grams are fat, and 35 grams are protein. And finally, breakfast idea number 3 is besan paneer chila, another delicious, healthy, high protein breakfast option that won't take you much time. Alright guys, to kick things off, let's take a bowl and add 100 grams of besan, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of pepper. Along with this, we're going to add a pinch of hing, and you can also add coriander leaves at this step, but I was out of coriander leaves, which is why I added 1 teaspoon of coriander powder instead. Next, let's add some water and stir it all up. Once it's all mixed well, time to add 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium tomato chopped, half a cup of chopped green bell peppers, 2 to 3 green chilies, 112 grams of crumbled paneer, and finally salt for taste. Mix it all up, add water if needed, and bring it to a consistency of your liking. Now that the batter is ready, spray some cooking spray onto a warm pan and pour the batter and spread it evenly as such. And finally, make sure both sides are fully cooked. And there you go, guys, your besan paneer chila is all ready. This can be eaten with your favorite pickle or sauce on the side, or just as it is because it tastes just as good. Now moving on to the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown. So for the entire recipe, it is a total of 812 calories, of which 82 grams are carbs, 35 grams are fat and 44 grams are protein. Now, and if you divide this into 2 servings, then each serving is a total of 406 calories, of which 41 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 22 grams are protein. And there you go, guys, 3 super simple, super delicious breakfast options. I think I used the word super 100 times in this video, but trust me, it is. They are so easy to make, and plus they are high, all these meals are high in protein, and also all of them are below 500 calories. So do give it a try. If you do, please do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you have any other kind of videos that you'd like me to make, please do comment down below and let me know, and I would be happy to make it. With that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.